Ginger. Ginger. Wow. You can't lose out my people in farming. This is our next nice piece. Yeah? Wow, looking good, don't it? Check this out, my people. It's all about turmeric. This is what's going on. These are the ones that come up out of the soil. Yeah, they grow out of the soil. It's all about how I survive on the farm without going to the shop or the supermarket. Stick and stay. Don't go away.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to another video. In this video, it's all about how I survive on the farm without going to the shop or the supermarket. So yeah, having a farm, you don't know it's all about most of the time. When you go into the kitchen, you go to the farm first and you get something to put inside of the pot. You know what I mean? So it's not everything that you put into the kitchen to cook. You run to the market, you can go to the plantation. Yeah, you can get a chocho, you can get some gungu, you can cut a cane, you can break a can, you can dig a potato. There's a lot of things. You can cut a bunch of planting. So yes, my people, we have to plant. You don't know it's all about planting. So as I said, the topic of this video, it's all about how I survive. If I'm going to the kitchen to cook some food, say I'm going to cook some dumpling, yeah, so you don't know, once I go to the shop on the weekend, I don't have to go back because I have some flour, some cornmeal to make some dumpling. But trust me, inside of the pot, I can come here on the farm, I can pick chocho, yeah. If I need gungu, I can pick some gungu, yeah, because it's about 2 weeks now, yeah, I don't buy any peas because I have gungu. So all I do, I come here and I pick my gungu to cook my gungu rice. You know what I mean? So yes, my people, it's all about, it's good, you know. And as you can see here, I have some cucumber, yeah. Cucumber soon started to blossom. So you don't know, it's all about pumpkin is here, putting out, yeah. Most of them, the birds don't come and pollinate them, so them gonna fall off if the bird don't come and pollinate them like this one. You know what I mean? But trust me, more is coming out. So just give the birds time to pollinate. Yeah? So yes, my people, you don't know, it's all about, most of the time, as you can see, cane, yeah? Most of the time, I can cut a bunch of callaloo, and I have a lot of young seedlings of callaloo here. As you can see over here, seedlings of callaloo. And as you can see, they are beautiful. I have to water them every evening. Over here, callaloo. Yes, so I have 1 and 2 root of callaloo, same way working out. I can show you over here. Yeah, 1 and 2 root of callaloo, same way where I can cut if I need callaloo. Alright, people, so you don't know it's all about. My cane root is growing up back nicely. As you can see, I have 1 and 2 root of corn. And as you can see, blossom, the corn started to blossom, and the young corn is coming out. Alright, so yes, my viewers, you don't know, here in this fridge I have some cabbage. I forgot the names. I forgot the name of this type of cabbage I have here. Yeah, I forgot the name, but I'm gonna get the name to tell you guys the name of this cabbage here. But as you can see, we have our normal green cabbage inside here. I have a root of pumpkin over here looking very lovely and nice. So sooner as it starts to spring, I'm gonna leave it outside of the fridge. Yeah, so over here I have some callaloo, some seedlings of callaloo. I have some more cabbage. I transplant a lot of them yesterday, as you can see. I do some transplanting of some cabbage. I got the name of the cabbage, but I'm gonna get the name. I have an next root of corn here. Yeah, so I do some weediness today. Yeah, do a lot of weediness today right here, just to keep the course clear, so I can, you know, go through. I have a root of pumpkin here. I do some more transplanting here, but now the sun is very hot, so they are down for a while. So little more from this in the evening when the time is cool. I'm gonna do some more watering and that. Yeah, I have a nice root of plant in here. Nice root of plant in here. In my previous video where I do my chocho bed, that is the chocho bed, and as you can see, chocho have a time when it bear. After a while the vine is dried up and then it put out new vine. So yes, my people, as you can see, my gungo tree continue producing gungo. Yeah, never stop, all the way. Gungo, we have blossom. I have some young ones and I have some fit one and I have some dry one on it same way. So it's all about we have to plant something. So inside of this fridge I have some sweet potato and I have some cucumber plant inside here. And yes, my people, sweet potato. So all I do, I mix the vinegar, sugar and the baking powder to water it in the evening, like 3 times for the week. Yeah, to have it grow green and start it to bear. Yeah, so give it about 2 more months to start to produce some sweet potato. All right, as you can see inside here, I have a root of cabbage inside here, and I transplant some cabbage over here also yesterday. Yes, I'm underneath the chocho plant right now, the chocho tree, and I have a lot of chocho on the tree, you know, can pick, you know. Yes, my people, inside here, yeah, chocho is all about inside the gungo tree, the gungo plant here. Look here, there is 5 chocho here and the one spot, little spot here, as you can see. Yeah, trust me, we have to plant. Yeah, we have to plant. Chocho is everywhere. Look up here. Yeah, around this side I can show you 2 more lovely chocho here, my people. So chocho is everywhere, all around. Up here, chocho, young, from the young to the fit, chocho. And as you can see, gungo all around. So we have to plant, you know what I mean? Yes, my people, we have to plant. My mint plant. You don't know, in the morning you're gonna drink a cup of tea. Yeah, this is my mint plant, and I have fever grass. I have fever grass here. This is the fever grass, yeah. And over here I have oregano. Yes, we all know oregano. We all know oregano, don't it? Very nice plant here. Yeah, oregano. And over here is the colon mint. Have a nice flavor, same way, colon mint. Yeah. I have a root of yam here. As you can see, it look like St. Vincent yam. Don't know if you know that purple yam. It have the look like here. Yeah. So I get to understand. I see this root of yam start to grow here, but when I check, it was some yam skin through here and it started to plant. So what I do, I put 2 sticks together. Yeah, wire them up together, put here, so that the yam can run on, because if it don't run on the stick, it don't bear. All right, so right here I'm gonna get some dirt to form around the root here so that it can manifest and come to something that I can eat yam. Okay, yeah, as you can see, this is a root of cocoa, very huge, and up the line, go right up the line. As you can see, cocoa is right up the line. So soon as I say the root of the cocoa start to buff up out of the earth and the earth start to crack up. Yeah, especially when the time is dry, you know, cocoa is down there, cocoa is ready, it's time to dig. Yeah, and you know, I do engraft, you know, I do a lot of engrafting. So I have these plants here. I have a mango and I have a pear. So to engraft here, I'm gonna cut it off here and engraft a next pear limb on it that is bearing, so that it can bear very soon. By 1 year time, you can pick pear. Same with the mango. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's all about my planting root. Try to get out some of the sucker out of the root. Yeah, because if too much is in there, it's gonna take away all the nutrients from the one supposed to shoot and bear fruit. Yeah. So as you can see, my viewers and my subscribers, the sun is shining, the weather is sweet. So it's all about as what the singer said, the songwriter said. We're gonna move our dancing feet, run to the rescue. Here I am. As you can see, my big banana, my big bunch banana, don't shoot us yet. This is the second plant that going up, and it did shoot one sucker, but now it have two. At this time, one is here and one is over here. So yes, my people. You don't know. This is my apple banana. Back in my previous video, it was planted into a crate, but I get it out and plant it by itself. It is growing very nicely. The space is not that big, so you don't know. Most of them meet together. All right. In this video, I'm gonna do some digging of my turmeric. So stick and stay for that. I'm gonna do some digging with my turmeric here. So I'm gonna video all that. I'm gonna have that in the video here also. Yeah, and I have my ginger to dig also. As you can see, me people, all of the turmeric dry down. Yeah, so you know when turmeric dry down, you can leave it for it to spring back. But I'm gonna dig it, yeah, to replant it. All right. Inside here, this fridge I have a June plum tree plant inside here. Yeah, so I keep on budding it because I don't want it to grow too tall. I want it to grow wide. So each time I bud it, it spring different sprouts, you know, just to get it wider, not to grow tall. So yes, my people, right here is my ginger bed, and my ginger bed is drying down also. That means it is time to dig my ginger. So I'm gonna dig my ginger to replant my ginger. All right. Sun is very hot now. I have some transplant over here, some cabbage transplant. I have a root of bungo over there. Yeah, so you don't know. It's all about we have to plant something. I have here. This is leaf of life. Very good for the human body, leaf of life. You can boil it as tea. You can boil it and drink it just like that. Leaf of life. As you can see, my people, leaf of life. I also have some seedlings here, callaloo seedling here. Yeah, so soon time for replant. My root of cane is going on fine. So yes, my viewers, the sun is very hot on these cabbage, so you don't know, them gonna look a little weird. Them gonna, you know, hang down them head a little because the sun is very hot. So yes, my viewers, that is what going on right now inside of the farm. I set a bed here. I set a bed here to sow some pop chow seed inside here. Yeah, this is a nursery for some pop chow seed. Yeah, so soon as they burst up out of the soil, I'm gonna transplant them from here to one of these fridges, or get a new fridge to plant them in. So yes, my viewers, yes, so the thing there. Yeah, it's all about we have to plant something. So as I was saying before, the topic is how I survive. Most of the time I come inside the farm and I cut a hand of banana, and I cut a bungle of callaloo, or I cut a cabbage, or cut some pop chow. Yeah, I can go into the kitchen and cook instead of going to the shop or the supermarket or the market. You know what I mean? Yeah. So it's all about surviving in this time. You know what I mean? So yes, my people, it is good to plant. It's all about time to dig my turmeric. I'm gonna wait till the time cool, then I'm gonna do some digging of the turmeric and some digging of the ginger. So stick and stay. So right about now, it's all about my turmeric. Here, I'm gonna dig my turmeric. All right. So yes, my people, I have to try save this root of pumpkin here. Yes, I have to try save this root of pumpkin, although it is not that beautiful, but I'm gonna try save it. The first thing first, I'm gonna get out some of these grass out of the bed here, but it's all about time to dig my turmeric. And yes, my people, I'm in the first root here. This is my bag, so I go along, I put it into my bag. But you know, when digging turmeric, you're gonna find some little small pieces. Them gonna leave back. Most of them gonna leave back inside. Yeah, and you know them gonna grow back. So yes, my people, it's all about turmeric and ginger day today. Whoa, beautiful, my people. Yes, I want you guys to see what I'm digging far down here. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the camera into a different direction. Yeah, it look better recording from that end. Alright, so yes, my people, it's all about turmeric. I'm taking up everything because I'm gonna replant them. Yeah, I'm gonna replant them back. Some is not that big, but you know, still gonna replant them back, you know. But today is turmeric day. Whoa. Whoa, my people. Whoa, my people. Whoa, my people. Woo. Woo. There is a lot getting away. Check this out, my people. It's all about turmeric. Turmeric. So yeah, it's all about digging my turmeric. So I'm gonna take up every bits and pieces. This look like it is Irish potato. I'm taking up every bits and pieces because I'm going to replant. I'm going to replant, my people. Oh, man. I'm taking up every bit because I'm going to replant. Alright, my people. The soil is very soft. The soil is very soft. So you know the easier come up. Yeah? Whoa, my people. Whoa, my people. Whoa. Whoa, my people. Turmeric. turmeric. Today is turmeric day. I'm gonna save everything because I'm gonna replant it. I'm gonna replant them back, you know what I mean? Yeah. So I plant them here to see how the soil, how they would grow in this type of soil. Alright? So if I get a good bearing into this soil, I would plant it back. But if not, I'm gonna put something into the soil to make it bear more. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. That's the reason why I dig it, because I could leave it to sprout back and to bear, to get bigger. Yeah, but I want to dig it to see how it grow inside here. It's not too bad. The last time was bigger, but yeah, the last time was bigger. And as what I said before, 1 and 2 might get away, but we can't help it. Whoa, there's a lot here, man. There is a bunch here. There is a bunch here, my people. Shake them out. Whoa. Whoa. Remember, I'm saving every bit. Yeah? Yes, I'm gonna plant back here. There are some Irish potato that plant inside here. But as you can see, the soil don't agree with the Irish potato. Yep. Some people, me I go to the ginger bed next. Go into the ginger bed next, alright? Looking good, don't it? Yeah, there's a bunch here. Nice. Nice. Wonderful. So this is the head of it, you know. This is the little piece that I did plant. So this little piece I did plant, and it bear these, as you can see. Beautiful, don't it? It's gonna take a little while, you know, but just have to have a little patience. But they may look like it grow with the turmeric. There's some little thing that grow with the turmeric. Wow, strange, I never see before. I never see that before. All right, my people, you hear that? Whoa! This is exclusive, don't it? This is exclusive. Turmeric. This is exclusive. Looking good, don't it? Whoa! Whoa! That is it, my people. That's the reason why I say you have to plant. Because if you don't plant, you can't reap. Yeah? If you don't plant, you can't reap. Alright? So as you can see, this soil is not that good with the turmeric. So I have to do something to the soil. Yeah, I have to do something to the soil to get them bear bigger the next time I replant. Yeah. So I have to put something else to the soil to get these turmeric grow bigger next time. Yeah, so I have to use the brown sugar with the vinegar, vinegar and baking soda. Yeah, to give these turmeric a helping hand to grow better next time around. As you can see, yeah. Whoa, there's a lot here. Whoa, my people. Turmeric. 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 Whoa, my people. One handful of turmeric, my people. Watch here. Watch here, my people. One handful of turmeric, ain't it? See there? One root, that thing. This is one root. Yeah. Whoa, I find some way down here. Whoa, my people. This is good. This is what I'm talking about, man. The soil is not too bad, you know what I mean? Yeah. So I have to dig very deeply so that I don't miss out. And trust me, my people, after digging these turmeric, yeah, all I am smelling here is turmeric. Not it. Whoa! Look at this. Look at this, my people. I'm having fun here. I'm having fun here, my people. I'm having fun here, my people. Whoa. 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 I'm gonna change the direction of my camera because I need my camera to catch everything live in living colors. So as a photographer, you have to turn your back to the light and take the picture where the light is showing, don't it? Alright, stick and stay. So yes, this is a different location. I'm trying to video from all angles. Yeah, me people, look at this. As you can see, whoa, this is turmeric. This is what I'm talking about. If I take up every root and I get this out of every root, wow, that's awesome. Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video, okay? Yes, I'm in the turmeric bed right now. And if you're new here, my name is Everton, alright? So don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Alright? If you don't do so, you're not gonna see the next video coming out. Because there is a lot. I have the gingerbread to go in soon as I finish the turmeric bed. But me people, this is lovely. This is beautiful, don't it? This is one of a kind. Wow. So you see it on Jamaican farmers out, alright? So yes, my people, still digging. But I don't know, but started to find some other little seeds on the turmeric, and I never know it was on the turmeric. But look, as you can see, some other seeds on the turmeric, my people. Yeah. But trust me, this one looking good. Alright, I'm still digging. Still digging. I'm still digging. I'm still digging. There's a lot more to come. There's bigger one to come. There's bigger one to come. Altia, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Altia. Yeah, Stacy. Yeah, digging up some turmeric here. The bud files. One love, the bud files. To the bud files of people. Yeah. There's a lot name to call. Yard food. Yard food, what you going with? What you cook today? As you can see, this is the piece that I did plant before, as you can see. But trust me, wow, it's a nice smell. Smell like I'm eating some curry goat. Wow. I'm getting a call. I'm getting a call, my people. Yes, my people, back to the game. Back to the digging game. Yes, my people, this is the nicest part of the farm, you know. When you're reaping. Yeah? As I said before, I'm gonna pass some turmeric, yeah, on the way. So all those ones that are pass, they're gonna grow on their own. Yeah, that's I'm gonna replant back into this bed here. So yeah, I'm not passing nothing with people. Everything I'm taking up, even the head of it. That's I'm gonna replant. Yeah, I'm gonna replant. But yes, my people, there's a patch here. There's a little patch here. This is the piece that I plant with it to get all these. Yeah, so most of them big, some is very small. But as what I said before, some little ball grow under turmeric. I don't know why. I don't know if there's it is balls or seeds or what, but some little round thing like yam seed grow on the turmeric. Yes, my people. I think it was the sweet potato, but I guess I get to understand it is half the turmeric. Yeah. All right, I have halfway to go, my people. I'm halfway in the fridge now. Yeah. Whoa, I buck up on a root, but the root is very strong. This root is very strong. Can't come out. What I said before, I'm gonna replant, so I'm taking up everything. Yeah. I'm gonna replant, so I'm taking up everything. Alright. There is none into this. Yeah. There is a little one. Into this batch. Here there's the next little one. Most of them little one here, you know. Them plant late. Most of them little one here, them plant late, you know. So you will see them very small. But these are the ones to replant. Yeah. Alright. Alright, my people. Hot it again. Hot it again, man. You can't lose out when you plant something when you're doing farming. In farming, you can't lose out, man. You can't lose out, my people, in farming. This is our next nice piece. Yeah? Wow, looking good, don't it? Looking wonderful. Yeah? Looking wonderful, my people. Wonderful, don't it? This is turmeric. All right. All rise. Seems like I'm going to get one bag of turmeric, my people. Yeah. You know, my photographer Antoinette's supposed to be here today, no, but I guess she's on vacation. All right. Whoa, my people, my lovely people. I love to dig. I love to reap. I love to harvest. I love to harvest. I love to harvest, my people. Yes. If I don't love to do anything else, I love to harvest. These are the ones that bear before. They get darker than the one that bear not bearing now. Alright. There's no time to delay, so let's get cracking. Yeah? It's all about all these little buds gonna grow back. So I leave them inside. All the little buds, yeah, I leave them inside to grow back. Because they're gonna grow back and get big ones off them. Yeah? So, guess I'm going. One thing though with this soil. This soil comes from the Long Pond Sugar Factory, and there is no object inside of the soil to hurt you, you know? Yeah? So that is what I love with this soil, with this black soil from the Long Pond Sugar Factory. Yeah. So yes, my people. Yeah, my people. Yeah, my people. It's all about turmeric day. Turmeric day, my people. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera into a different view now. Yeah, because I want you guys to see everything that I dig out here. Okay? Alright. I'm back at this view, my people. Turmeric digging. Alright? Look here, look here, look here, look right here. Whoa, whoa, this is a big root. They break off, man. In Jamaican stir, me broke them off. Whoa. Yes, my people, this is fun. This is from the same root, you know. This is fun, my people. This is fun. Yeah. I wish my camera personnel was here. Yeah, internet. Come on. You stay bad. You stay bad. You stay bad. You stay bad. Next time I'm gonna give Auntie the job to come and do this video here. Okay, internet? Alright. So Auntie, prepare yourself here. Whoa! Whoa! So guys, if you should see all these turmeric, don't say I have a lot of turmeric because I have to plant them back. If I dig up a pound, I want to plant them back to get a pound because I never plant a pound. I dig up a pound and because I plant a little piece, you know, and when it bear, I break them apart and spread it all over inside the fridge here. So it's all about I'm gonna plant them back. So yes, my people, these little piece here, I'm gonna put them back into the soil because they're all gonna grow back. They're all gonna grow back, my people. Yeah. Once you have a seed, you just want a little soil to put it in and you're good to go. But I have the ginger bed to dig from, and I know that one is gonna be harder than this because the ginger bed soil is very hard. But I'm getting there. Yeah. Yep. So I said before, I'm taking up everything because I'm going to replant. I'm taking up everything because I'm going to replant, man. Yeah, so if I see a piece of turmeric like this, look like it's gonna spoil, yeah, it is good to fertilize back the soil. All right. So yes, my people. All right, go into this corner here. This fridge, it wasn't a turmeric fridge, you know. It was a callaloo fridge. But you know, callaloo don't stay for long. Soon, callaloo is out, you know, and stop from sprout. So when I plant the callaloo, when I replant the callaloo inside here, I stick some turmeric between the callaloos. That is what happened right now. Yeah, that is how comes I get these turmeric. So you see me, people, good to plant something. Yeah man, tap from high and plant something, me people. Don't have to buy turmeric. And there's the next thing. Some people don't know how good the turmeric is. Yeah? Some people don't know the value, what the turmeric can do to you. Turmeric is a very natural plant, you know. Do a lot of things, lot of things to your body. Give you that stamina to go through the day. Watch it. and it keeps you away from cancer. It burns all cancer cells from your body. That is what the turmeric does. Yeah. So right about now, I'm digging and I'm going to replant. But here how I'm going to replant. I'm going to put them down to sprout. Soon as they start to sprout, that's the time when you replant. Because all of these you see here, just put them inside the kitchen in somewhere cool. They're all going to sprout. So when they start to sprout, that's the time I break them off one and replant them. That's how you get more turmeric. Yeah? Well, reaching to the last of it right now. Reaching to the last of it. Whoa, reaching to the last of the turmeric right now. Just want to see how the ginger beer. Yeah, that is the next one I would love to go into right now. But soon as I leave here, I'm going into the gingerbread. Yeah? Yeah, turmeric is all about turmeric. And trust me, my people, turmeric and ginger tea, it works wonders on your body. Yeah, turmeric and ginger tea work wonders on your body. I drink some turmeric and molasses yesterday, and trust me, I feel cool for the rest of the day. You know what I mean? Yeah, yeah, man. Yeah, man. I boil the turmeric and the ginger, cut it up fine, or you can blend them, and then you use the molasses to sweeten it as drinks. Wonderful. What, me people? My people, look there. Just shake out all the soil, because the soil is very soft. You know what I mean? Yeah? The soil is very soft. Yes, my people, I'm enjoying this. And if my camera personnel was here, she would be enjoying this also. But she's not here at this time. Don't know if she's gonna be, but she's not here at this time, my people. Yeah? But this bunch is very big. Wow, this bunch is very big, man. It's very huge. It's huge. It's huge. I still see it. This was the little piece of the plant, you know. Yeah. And it give me all these. Yeah. And listen, I go to the market. Listen how I get all these turmeric. I go to the market and I buy $100 worth of turmeric. And I come home and I drink some and I plant a little piece. And this is all. It just continue bearing. So when I plant a little piece and I get this, I break it up, put it down to sprout, then plant it back. And I'm good. And now, whoa, I have a whole bed of turmeric. I have a whole bed of turmeric. Sha-la-la-la-la. A whole bed of turmeric. Sha-la-la-la-la. A whole bed of turmeric. Sha-la-la-la-la. And they sweet like a pineapple in a jam. Pum, pum. Yo! Like this song, we don't want more song. I want it more song, can't sing it. Come on, tell me if you don't like this song, because give you no next verse. Yeah? Wow. Drop it in the comment box if you don't love this song, man. Next time I'll give you a lot. Give you guys a lot of songs, you know? But I love this part of the job. This is the piece that I plant, you know. This is the pieces that I plant. And as you can see, yeah, they all get rot. Yeah? This is the piece that I plant. Yeah. So trust me, I put them back into the soil to fertile the soil. You see all these trash? I'm gonna put it underneath the soil and cover it so it keep underneath cool. Yeah? I guess I have the last one here, my people. I guess I have the last one here. Yes, my people, are the last one. I have a pretty girl in the ring. Sha la 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 la. I have a pretty girl in the ring. Sha la la. I have a orange girl in the ring. Sha la 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 la. Alright, this is the piece that I plant. As you can see, this is this dark brown piece here. This is the piece that I plant, and I get these. Look. So you see it? When you go to the market and you buy anything, you can come and each a little piece in the soil. This is what I plant, and I get this. Whoa, and this is still good, can plant back. So this is what you get when you replant. You know what I mean? When you replant, the people, it's good to replant. Stick and stay to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. And if you're new here, if you just join in, my name is Ever Slick. Yeah, and trust me, me love to plant. And when I'm leave here, I'm going straight to the ginger bed. Yeah, I'm going straight to the ginger bed, my people. So that is it. That is it. That is it, my people. Yeah, that is it. That is it for the turmeric. That is it for the turmeric. Okay? So yes, my people, it's all about the turmeric is finished digging. Yeah, the turmeric is finished digging. So you don't know, it's all about going to the ginger bed right now to get some ginger out of the ginger bed. And as you can see, look, this is what I get out of the turmeric bed. All right, so stick and stay. Excuse me, don't go away. My video personnel is not there, so big up to stay safe. Altia, yard food, the bud files. I'm heading off to the ginger bed. No move. All right, as you can see, I level back the bed because there's night dew, and if the rain fall, it's level. Yeah, so that I can replant. But I like when the sun burn the top of the soil first. Yeah, because the top soil is much best to plant in. Okay, time to go to the ginger. It's all about me inside of the ginger bed now. Yeah, me people, me in a ginger bed. My camera personnel is not here. Yeah, Antoinette is not here at this time, so I have to do everything myself. I'm in the ginger bed, all right? I'm gonna start from this corner. I bring the machete because the soil here is very hard. It's not like the turmeric, all right? So, don't know if you guys can see what is going on, but here goes nothing. Try to pull, there is nothing. Whoa, I can smell the drops. Yeah, and I can smell the tea from the ginger. All right, so all these coming out, some of them dry down already. So yes, my people, I'll give you guys a highlight of what's going on here. First little piece. First little piece. I don't want to use the machete to break them, you know. But I'm gonna dig now and then because the soil is very tough. Yeah, the soil is very tough, man. Whoa, feel like I juke something over here. Don't want to juke anything. Whoa, I'm breaking ginger. Whoa, I'm breaking ginger. And my people, this big fat ginger, I don't like those one. I love the little fine ginger. The little fine ginger is our normal ginger, you know. I love those ginger, but these fat ginger, no, I don't like these fat ginger. I like the little maga one, them, you know, they're more stronger. Yeah, I have to use some machete over here. Like I'm digging yam. Yeah, but I don't want to juke them up. I need to get some more soft soil inside of this fridge. So as you can see, ginger. I have a root here to take up. The ginger is very harder to dig in because it have stronger root than the turmeric. Yeah? Whoa. Don't know what's going on, but I hear a lot of breaking. I hear a lot of breaking going on down there, so. Yes, sir. Come here, come here, dig yam. Yam, me I dig. I'm digging yam, my friend. Yeah, whosoever have the pineapple, don't worry, I'm coming with the ginger. Yeah? Whosoever have the watermelon, I'm coming with the ginger, alright? Whoa. 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 I'm gonna struggle here, man. I'm gonna struggle a lot to get out these ginger because the soil is very tough. I have to get some softer soil into this fridge here. Alright, still keep breaking. Whoa. What is going on? This is yam? Seems like this is yam. Where have it gone so far? I'm wondering if it gone so far. Still keep breaking me, people. Whoa! It's still the root. Tired already, you know, my people. The people. I'm tired already. I've got to put up one on my foot. Tired already, my people. Right, God, you know me tired. Oh, whoa! You see that? This is why them hard to come out, because the root very strong. The root is bigger than the turmeric root. So let's see what we have inside here. We don't have much. We just have some strong root. Whoa, we just have some strong root, people. But we have ginger inside here now, but we just have some strong root. Yeah. We just have some strong root. So these are not the not the big ginger. These are the little fine ginger. Very strong. And trust me, the size is good because it is the fine ginger. So the size is good. Trust me, the size is good, as you can see. Yeah? Let me show you guys what's going on here. What is going on here? Yeah? So trust me, this is just a little piece of ginger and look what it brings. You see that? We need to plant. Look at that, Antoinette. If you was here, you would be smiling now. Yeah. This is one root of ginger. And I put, this was on it also. One root. Very hard to come out. It take a lot out of me. I am so tired. Yeah? So yeah. We're back down inside of the crib. Yeah, so remember, the ginger is much harder to dig than the turmeric because there are some strong roots Yeah, very powerful root. Look here, very powerful root. And I'm wondering to myself if these roots are good, what we can do with it. Because if it is from the ginger, and the ginger is so powerful, wow. You can imagine what the root would do. Oh, this don't have anything. Alright, alright, alright. Start digging again. Start digging again. The soil in here is very thick. Yeah. And monstrous. Yeah, it's very hard to pull on. You know? Yeah? But I'm getting there. This is the next root again. This break off. This break off. I'm not gonna get. I have a TV back there with some in it also. But I'm not gonna get much from this fridge. Off. Break off again, me people. I want to take it out whole line, but it break off again. So very hard to get by. You know? Very hard to get by. Trust me. But we have ginger. We have ginger. Look how thick the root is. This is the root from the ginger, you know, very thick. Oh, something cut me inside here, man. Oh, no, not cut me, but something cut me inside here. And I have to take it again, give it back. I said the root them, you know, man. The root them gone far, you know, my people. Yeah, man. The root them gone far. Look here. The root them gone far into the side. Whoa. So I'm taking up every bit here because I'm going to replant. I'm going to replant, my people. I'm going to replant, so I'm taking up every bit inside here. Oh, I have ginger. I have ginger here. I have a big root here. Don't know if I can take it out all, but I have a big root here. I'm gonna try. And I can't forget when I planted these ginger, they wasn't big. They were very small when I planted them. Yeah. But these ones burst out of the soil and hop on top of the soil. That's the reason why they look this way. Because they grow up out of the soil. So that is the reason why they look this way. I have to throw back dirt on them to keep them in soil as they grow up so very tall out of the soil. I need to get all the roots out. I need to get it up. I don't want it to break off. Alright, people. This is what's going on. These are the ones that come up out of the soil. Yeah, they grow up out of the soil. So that's the reason why they have this so clear. Because they grow out of the soil. Jano, they take a head out of me, man. They beat me out badly. Yeah? They beat me out badly. Whoa. I me think it done, me people. Me think it done. Ginger just a come. Ginger just a come. That is the reason why when I leave ginger, you know, when the ginger is drying down, you know that it is ready. But if you leave it and it starts to sprout back, yeah, it starts to get bigger and bigger. That's how ginger work. Yeah. So yeah. Done with that. Going down. Whoa. Look beside every corner, so I have to be careful when I push the machete. It's every corner. There's a piece of ginger. Some don't start to bear as yet, but there's a little piece there. But the sun is hot in the meanwhile. Yeah. The sun is pelting, man. But I'm still digging. I'm still digging. I'm still digging. I don't want to hurt this callaloo either. There's a root of callaloo here. I don't want to hurt it. I want to dig around it, you know. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, my people. Yeah, you need to get them out like that. Yeah. Yeah. You need to get them out like that. Hear me, people. Hear me, people. I need to get them out like that. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. These are the fine ginger. The fine ginger is much stronger than those fat ginger that you see on the market. Oh, what's going on here? Root breaking? So the next time I plant back this ginger and the turmeric, I will know what to do next. If I must dig or I must let them stay and spring and grow again. Yeah? I know what to do with the soil now to get them bigger than before. Yeah? So I'm almost past halfway into the ginger bed. Yeah, don't want to trouble that. Yeah, but I have a big ginger here. Seems like it is big. Yeah, brick. Not too bad. Can go on. Yeah, come never plant this big. It was a little beanie piece me plant. And if me get this, me give thanks. Yeah. So I'm going. I'm 3/4 up with the ginger bed. And I guess the bag is doing fine because I never plant so much ginger. Yeah. I guess up here is where the most ginger is. Yeah. Oh whoa. I juke my ginger, man. I don't want to juke my ginger, man. I'm juking up my ginger. My ginger is like my girl, you know. I don't want to juke her up too hard. Yeah, I have to take time. Yeah, I have to take up very much time. I don't want to break this piece of ginger and I want to take it out all in one, but don't know how I'm gonna get it out where. But I'm trying. It break my people. It break, but I'm gonna show you the 2-piece. Yeah, yeah, roots. Breaking tree, my people. Breaking tree. Yeah. Watch here. Watch here, my people. It breaking tree. Yeah? Breaking tree. Yeah, my people. I have to plant something. And yes, if you're new here, my name is Ever Slick. And don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out. This is 1 piece of ginger. It is 1 root, but it break into 3. This is 1 piece of the tree that it break in. Yeah? Whoa, whoa, whoa. This piece of ginger is very fat and I break it. Whoa. Whoa, my people. I have to move the camera, my people. My people, I have to move the camera now. Whoa. I have to move the camera now, my people. This one calls the camera move. This one calls the camera move, my people. Yeah. I have to move the camera, my people. I have to move the camera, my people. Hey people, I have to move the camera and I have to rest. Yeah? Yeah, man. Hear what is going on here now? Hear what is going on now, my people. All over here is ginger. All over here is ginger, my people. I'm gonna dig it away and show you. Look. All here is ginger, my people. Just don't want to juke them up. But all here is ginger. This is the last part of the ginger bed. Yeah? And I dig ginger from this corner already. Yeah, before. I dig from this corner already before. Yeah? And you know when you want a little piece of ginger in the kitchen, you want to come to the ginger bed. Yeah, so I dig from this corner already. So this is all ginger. Let me get to this piece first. Yeah. Whoa. This break out with a little piece. Want to leave back inside here. Yeah. Yeah, man. Seems like it is 2 different types of ginger, you know, because that piece is very huge. That come out. Yeah. All right. Here. Very huge ginger. I'm gonna try to go on this side. Don't want to block off you guys. But yeah. I'm gonna take my own little time. Try to get around these roots. Because I don't want to. Yeah. But these are the 2 root that leave inside the ginger bed here. My people. If I'm not tired, me I roll, but if I'm not tired, I'm tired like anything. Trust me. Tired. Ginger. But this is the boss. This is the boss. I'm gonna take my little time. Should I zoom in, my people? Should I zoom in and show you guys this? You know, so I should zoom in. I'm gonna zoom in and show. I don't have to zoom in. That is very big on screen. Don't it? That is very big on screen. I don't have to zoom in. That's true. Yeah, man, that is very big on screen. I don't have to zoom in. I'm gonna try dig around. Yeah, don't want it break. See if it is 1 piece or it is 2 piece. Yeah. Your roots still. Oh, whoa. All right. The last piece of ginger here is out, my people. Yeah. I'm gonna spread back the bed. Ginger. Ginger. Watch them, me people. Watch them, me people. Me love this party, I see. Look at this. Out of a little peg, a little piece of ginger that I plant, I stick here. Look the amount. One was a fly around me, you know. Oh no, me face you want to fly around, you know. Bite you want bite me, but no, why him? Yes, me people, see that? Me people, I one piece of ginger this. I can't find nothing to dig it out. Me people, see there? One piece of ginger. I can't find nothing to dig it out. Me people, one piece of ginger, my people. One piece of ginger. This is the biggest of all. Not even the turmeric. Whoa, Antoinette, you would love to see this. Antoinette, you would love to see this. You would love to see this, Anto. You would love to see this. I keep on telling you I need you to come and do a video for me. To be my video personnel, but I don't know what I'm going to you, but it's just one of those times, But trust me, my people. One piece of ginger, my people. One piece, just one piece of ginger. Yeah? Just one piece of ginger. So yes, my people, it's all about Jamaican Farmers Hut. Don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, because by doing so, you're gonna get the next video that I put out. Okay? If you're new here, my name is Everslick. To the Slick from the Everslick Media Foundation. And you can check out my next YouTube channel, Laugh and Relationship TV. It's all about laughing. You laugh till you pop up. Yeah, Laugh and Relationship TV. But for now, it's all about farming. Yeah, Jamaican Farmers Hut. The reason why the name was created, Jamaican Farmers, and then I had the hut to it, it's all about every farm supposed to have a hut, don't it? Ginger. Seeing? Yeah. So yes, my people, it's all about plant something. You know what I mean? Yeah? It's all about Jamaican Farmers. So don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. It's all about my ginger bed. I don't get a lot like the turmeric because I never plant a lot of ginger. It's just few little sprout of ginger I planted. But trust me, this is ginger, my people. My people, this is ginger. We have to plant something. Let me give you guys an expose. My people, ginger. Give you a closer look. Ginger. 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 Wow. Looking good, don't it? Yeah. I'm just making a picture for the thumbnail. Yeah? Trust me. Ginger. So big. It's all about. So here's my viewers and my subscribers. It's all about your boy Everslick here. I'm gonna be out for now. So see you guys in the next video, alright? So stick and stay to the channel. See you guys